and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the latest analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, we would be looking at the coin of today, which is Aave. As you can see, currently ranked 49th with a market cap of $920 million. Right, we have a 24-hour volume of about $29 million. As you can see, we are down for the month about 9.4%, up for the week about just 1.8%, and as you can see, down for the day just about 2.6% at the time of recording. But we want to ask, what is next even for the price of Aave? As you can see, if we move to the chart for the price of Aave, right, we are on the chart for Aave versus the USD dollars. We are on the daily time frame. And one of the things we have seen with Aave is that we have been following right down to the T all our support and resistance levels. Currently, as you can see, we have broken right the level of $64, right, and we are pushing currently even to this level of the $53.3 level, right. So that should be the next psychological level and the next support even for Aave before we see any kind of push even to the upside, even for Aave in the medium to long term. And I'll be giving you more reasons why we should be expecting one more push even to the downside, right down to our psychological level at the 53, right, 52-ish dollars level before we push even to the upside, right? If we look at our indicators right here, this indicator, right, signifies our money flow. And what the money flow shows is what is happening behind the scenes, if money is coming into Aave or if money is leaving Aave. And as you can see, currently, we are having some sort of bearish divergence right here, even on the money flow for Aave. So we should be expecting upward of more push even to the downside, probably one last push to the downside for Aave before we see any other push even to the upside in the medium to long term. Also, if we look at the MACD, if you can see, the MACD just flipped bullish right down on the daily. But as you can see, the momentum is decreasing, and we still expect more decreasing of momentum even for Aave in the medium to long term. One more push to the downside before we could see a very, very huge push even to the upside for Aave in the medium to long term. So that's our analysis today. We could see some kind of consolidation, a flash crash to the downside to the $54 level before we see any other push even to the upside. So that's our analysis even for Aave. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.